Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Making this quick, easy video tutorial for those of you out there who are like me, new to crypto, trying to buy a certain crypto and don't exactly know how to go about doing it, let alone know how to trade, etc, etc. Now, let's begin. So I'm just going to use OXO.ai for example. Okay, as you can see here, OXO.ai. Now, this particular one actually is pretty tough to find, so I'll show you real quick. This one, you cannot find it by using its call sign, which is right here, OXO. You know, it just does not work, no matter what you do, you know. So, quickest way to find this one is like this right here. You type in OXO.ai space crypto, which will bring up CoinMarketCap. Okay, I like to use CoinMarketCap. I'm located in the United States also, so everybody knows. But click on the link. As you can see, here's the actual OXO. Now, if you look down below, you see Uniswap under Markets, BitGet, LBank, EX Markets, and that's pretty much it. Now, in this particular one, you can use a Coinbase wallet with Uniswap V2. Now, if I wanted to buy this particular one, I'm going to click on here. It's going to pop me over to here. Now, all you got to do on this is go down where it says Trade on Uniswap V2. You click on that. Now, I already added the token, but at this point, it's going to pop up a little box asking you if you want to add the token. You click yes, you know, then you select the check mark, I understand, blah, blah, blah. And there you go, you added the token. Now, we'll just do this right here. This is how Uniswap works. Now, I don't have very much Ethereum right now because I use it for gas fees, obviously. But I can go ahead and swap my Ethereum for OXO. Or I can turn back around. We'll do this right here. I can swap my OXO for US dollar coin. Okay, and you can see swap. That's pretty much it. You know, and this works for essentially everything across the board. You know, you find what market you can deal with being in the United States and go that route. Okay, now I'll show you another quick one real quick. This stupid thing. We'll go AVAX. Now here's AVAX. Now here are all the markets that AVAX is on. Obviously, you can buy it on Coinbase. Okay, now we'll do playable games. Right there, bull. Now, if I want to buy playable, oh, here are all the markets. It's on MEXC, which if you're in the US, you can use MEXC, but you need a VPN in order to use it. But on this particular one, you can use Trader Joe Avalanche. So you click on there. Now you click down here. It's going to bring you to Trader Joe. I have a Trust Wallet. Okay, so that's another thing too. You're gonna need a few. You're gonna need a few wallets, basically like Phantoms for Solana. I like Trust Wallet a lot. You know, that covers a broad spectrum, and Coinbase Wallet as well. You know, but then if I want to do it, I'm gonna come over here to trade, and you know whatever I want to pull from. Like if I have money in my Trust Wallet, then I just come down here, and you find the Bull token, which it's very interesting on here how they have it listed. It's a W3ULL, as you can see right here. Okay, now I can swap my AVAX for playable. And it's really quite that simple, guys. Now, I'm like you. I'm only maybe been in crypto 14 days. You know, and I've figured all this stuff out myself. But I wanted to share this because I know it's tough to figure out in the very beginning. You know, and it's very confusing not knowing what's going on and so forth. But this will give you the basic gist of it. And, that pretty much wraps it up for that. You know, I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. Obviously, totally up to you. If you want to support the channel, there is a donation link as well, which I would highly appreciate. You know, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. You know, I try to answer all comments and pretty much answer everything that people ask. You know, but yet again, like I said, the donation link is linked to the channel. It's a PayPal link. And I appreciate you guys watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.